In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Drive files available offline on your device. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that the app is up to date so everything works smoothly. If you're on mobile data, be aware that downloading files can use your plan, so Wi-Fi is usually best. Next, navigate to the file or folder you want to access without an internet connection. This could be a document you refer to on the go, a presentation you'll need during travel, or a folder of photos you want handy at all times. Browsing through My Drive or your shared folders, locate the exact item. If it's a folder, remember that making it available offline will download its contents, which can take more time and storage space. When you've found the item, tap the three-dot menu next to the file or folder name. On most devices, this menu sits to the right of the item. Tapping it opens a list of options. Be careful to tap the dots rather than opening the file, as you want the option menu for that item. From the menu that appears, select Available Offline. In many versions of the app, this appears as a toggle. Turn it on, and you should see a confirmation or an icon indicating that the file is being saved to your device. For Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, you'll also be able to edit offline. Changes will sync the next time you reconnect to the internet. Now wait for Google Drive to download the file to your device. A small progress indicator may appear, and larger files or entire folders can take a bit, especially on slower connections. Keep the app open and your screen awake if possible, and ensure you have enough storage available. If your device is low on space, consider freeing some up before you start. Once the download finishes, you can access the file anytime, even without an internet connection. Open the Drive app as usual, and look for the offline badge next to your saved items. Many versions of the app also include an offline section where your available files are grouped for quick access. Open and use your content like normal. When you're back online, any edits you made to Google Files will automatically sync. That's it. With these simple actions, your important files and folders are ready wherever you are, no signal required.